Hovertech. Just a button away.
In this video tutorial, I will explain how to flash a pac file to Unisoc or Spreadtrum Manual device using Cheetah 2 Pro. First, you need to have your pac file. I have mine over here. You also need to have Cheetah 2 Pro set up and your drivers installed. Now, with all this in place, you go to your Cheetah 2 Pro and you select the Spreadtrum tab. Now, you select your model from this list. If you can't find your model on the list, you just scroll down here and you choose Spreadtrum. Then you choose your chipset from the list. Now once that is done, you click on the flash tab, and from this firmware type you leave it at pac file. Now you need to select the pac file which you intend to flash, so you come over here to this button on the right and then you click on it. Now you select the pac file which you intend to flash and you click on open, and then you wait while all these processes. Now once it is done, your back button here should be enabled once again, so you just click on it and now you have all the files on this list, so you can check or uncheck whichever ones you intend to flash or leave out depending on your choice. So whatever one you check will get flashed, whatever one you uncheck will get left out of the flashing process. Now once you are done checking or unchecking, you come down to this button here which is flash and then you click on it. But I would rather leave out some partitions so that the flashing process will be quick. So I'll just uncheck user data. Okay, that is not a problem. I'll uncheck this. I will uncheck super. Those are usually large partitions. And I think I'm good to go here. So now I'll click on flash. Now this is waiting for me to connect my device. So you power off and you hold your flash buttons. Mine is volume down and power button. So I'll hold both and then I connect. Some require test points, so you need to know what kind of device you are dealing with. Now I have this running. Alright, so flashing is done. You can see it says here reboot OK. So that's how to flash a pac file to a Unisoc Android device using Cheetah 2 Pro.